Let me guess, you have already changed either of the following colors or fonts. Maybe redesign the old poster 3 times and the result still doesn't look good. Here is a problem nobody will tell you: the background. This is a poster we are working with today, and honestly, it is not bad, but the background is not doing much to help it or support the design, meaning that it lacks depth. So instead of redesigning everything, I am going to solve the problem by creating a modern glass effect background from the scratch. Now create a new layer and fill a gradient color. Black and white is enough to serve as a preset. Then decrease the width and duplicate the shape as follows. If you finish, go to File and Save As. Here I am saving grass texture. Open a new file and press Embedded. This background, or any background like this, you can download on a design website. If you feel comfortable, ask me on the comment. I will share with you. Then go to Filter Gallery, select Distort, and apply Glass. Click this line here and select the previous grass texture or preset we saved. Then apply the following settings: distortion, fill 14, smoothness, fill 4, and scaling, fill 61. Then press OK. Now this is a result. Then let us create another shape to support the background. For the process, now I am introducing this subject to clip mask to the shape below. This time apply the glow effect as follows. The background is starting to look good, but right now there is nothing for the viewers to focus on. So let us bring in our subject. Then go to hue and saturation. I'm just thinking to add a glow effect around this subject to match with the background. Or create a realistic crest. And here, apply gradient effect to darken this place for contrast. Now the subject grabs your attention. Let us start building that message intended to deliver. Let us compare the final result with where we started. Take a closer look at the background first. You might be surprised how much difference it can make. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.